gratitude on behalf of the graduating class, let us all welcome the top student of Batch 2026 and this year's Bishop's Awardee, Cecil Jubel C. Gibson.
Our esteemed Bishop of Novaliches, Most Reverend Roberto O. Caalini, our Superintendent Director, Reverend Father Albert N. Galvo, PhD, our School Principal, Reverend Father Noel V. Elorde, PhD, Ms. Jacqueline Lazo, dedicated faculty members and employees of GSCS, our beloved parents and guardians, fellow graduates, good afternoon. A shepherd does not walk behind the flock. A shepherd walks ahead, guiding, protecting, and illuminating the path, even when the night is darkest. Throughout our journey, we have strived to be that shepherd, a beacon of hope, a light piercing through uncertainty, a rose blooming among thorns. Amid the chaos of life, we held ourselves to a standard of integrity, of courage, of excellence. We expected ourselves to rise, to lead, and to shine. Yet, being a shepherd is never easy. The path was steep, the nights were long, and the storms were relentless. There were days when we questioned the path itself, deadlines that seemed endless, lessons that tested not only our minds but our patience, and challenges that made us wonder if we were being prepared or simply, well, tested. Yet, in every trial, every push, every moment of why me, we realized that these very struggles were shaping us into the shepherds we are today. In those moments when doubt threatened to overshadow our courage, we were reminded that we were never alone. And so today, before we look ahead to the future, we pause to say something that perhaps we did not say enough throughout the years. Thank you. First and foremost, we give thanks to God, the eternal shepherd, whose guidance has been our constant. In every challenge, in every struggle, His grace sustained us. He taught us that the shepherd is not simply to lead, but to serve, that to shine is not merely to succeed, but to lift others along the way. Being part of the GSCS community has always been more than education. It has formed us into the very individuals we are today. GSCS has taught us that we do not stop at pursuing excellence, but that what truly matters is understanding the real purpose behind everything that we do. We have valued virtues, embodied compassion, and prioritized faith. We learned that true leadership is anchored in humility, that courage is earned through perseverance, and that our actions must always reflect the values that we hold dear. To our respected school officials, we offer our heartfelt gratitude for your unwavering dedication and leadership. Thank you for your steadfast support, for creating an environment where learners are nurtured, challenged, and encouraged to become the best versions of themselves. To our beloved teachers, our class advisors, our moms and sirs, we will never forget the patience and commitment you have shown in supporting us throughout the years. The time, energy, and heart that you poured into every school day did not go to waste. Even when many of us were in the verge of giving up, you never stopped teaching, guiding, and believing in us. You helped us realize that our potential than we sometimes believe. For every lesson taught, every paper check, every reminder given, and every word of encouragement, you have left an impact that will stay with us for years to come. To our dear parents, those who stood up as our families, no other words could describe how grateful we are for having you beside us. May there be times that we have misunderstood each other, and if it may seem that your sacrifices were left unseen, let this milestone prove you wrong. You were the very reason why we're standing here today. Through your patience, your support, and your constant belief in us, you carried us through moments when we felt uncertain about ourselves. This achievement is not ours alone, but it belongs to you just as much as it belongs to us. And to our friends, our classmates, you have turned ordinary school days into extraordinary moments. I know that each and every one of us has our own inner battles that we are fighting. But the moments we spent together somehow healed the bruises no one else will understand. We have seen each other grow, from running down the hallways just for fun, to running to Sir Marcos' office to rush the thesis papers we were due to submit. The friendships, and yes, even some relationship we formed here are among the most valuable things we will carry with us beyond graduation. As we reflect on the years we spent here, we realize that high school was never just about finishing requirements or passing exams. It was about becoming the people we are today. Every challenge sharpened us, every lesson shaped us, and every experience prepared us for what lies ahead. As we step beyond the walls of our school, we carry with us more than knowledge. We carry the faith to choose to believe in ourselves during uncertain moments, and the values that guide us to choose what is right, even when no one is watching. May we continue to live as shepherds, to lead with courage, to serve with compassion, and to bring light wherever life may take us. And now, before we finally say our farewells, class of 2026, always be reminded that no matter what happens, tuloy pa rin ang awit ng buhay ko, magbago man ang hugis ng puso mo, handa na akong hamunin ang aking mundo, pagkat tuloy pa rin. Congratulations, Bataillon Class of 2026. Thank you and may God bless us all.
Thank you very much,